guys, here we have our ingredients for Ensaymada Janeth's Kitchen version. We have bread flour, caster sugar, yeast, instant yeast, evaporated milk, 3 egg yolks, water, softened butter, salt. I'm using pink salt today, and also extra butter for brushing our baked bread afterwards, or baked ensaymada, I should say. After 5 minutes of mixing, it's a bit messy, but don't worry, it's gonna come together again. Keep mixing. Time to add our salt. Continue mixing. Of mixing in the stand mixer, our dough is ready, and we're going to keep it in a bowl and let it rise, or let it proof for about 50 minutes to 1 hour, or until the size has doubled. Cover with cling cloth or cling wrap. Okay guys, so here is our dough after 50 minutes. Nice and will rise, and I'm gonna punch it out just to release the air bubbles. Put it on a clean work surface. Just knock it a little bit, and we're going to divide this into 50 grams pieces. One of my favorite tools is the bench scraper or dough scraper. Okay,
bedroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says,
Here we go, guys. After 10 minutes baking, they are slightly brown, but they taste good and they're so soft. So I brushed mine with butter or margarine, and we are going to dip it on some sugar. Welcome back to my channel. Here is the finished product, Ensaymada, super soft Ensaymada from Janeth's Kitchen. I'm gonna get myself a cup of coffee and maybe 2 of these, but before I do that, let's read the kitchen rules. Bye.